Welcome to Novachi.com. This video is to introduce district role and to show how to manage district data. First, log in as a district. Then go to district menu, CalPads. To import the data, go to Import tab. Choose the information you want to upload by clicking the Choose File button, and then click Upload. To export the data, go to Export. And search for the record you want to export. You can also manage your district data in the Manage menu. This was a tutorial for the district role. Welcome to Novachi.com. This video is to introduce school admin's role. First of all, log in as a school admin. Now go to My Profile. Under My Info, you will see your personal information, which can be updated anytime. Under Messages, Inbox, you will see your school email box, Announcement. Here you can see school announcements. Moving on to Connection. Under My Connection, you can add a connection to your school by clicking the Add Connection button and putting down the access key into the system if you didn't do it while doing the registration. My School is for your school information. Moving on to School menu. Here under School Overview, you will see a short overview of your school. Moving on to School Setup. Here under School Info, you can set up your school information. Under Year and Term, you can create a new year and terms. You can update an existing year or terms by clicking on the year. Moving on to Period. Here is where you can create a new period by clicking the Create button and update an existing one by clicking on the period. Grade Scale is to change the grade scale. Moving on to Curriculum. Under Courses, you will be able to create a new course and to update an existing course by clicking the course ID. Moving on to Classes. Under Classes, you can create a new class by clicking the Create button. You can also view the enrollment for the class or assign a teacher by clicking Assign Teacher. You can assign a substitute teacher as well right here. Or you can see the grade information by clicking the Report button. Moving on to Rosters. Here under Rosters, you can manually create or upload a CSV file for each one of the faculty, students, or parents' rosters. By clicking Create, you'll create a roster manually. You can upload a file from your computer by clicking Upload CSV file and uploading the ready roster by clicking the Add button and uploading it to the system. Here under Faculty, you can also manage role by clicking Manage Role and choosing the role for your faculty. After it's done and you uploaded all the rosters, choose the names from the list and create an access key for all the faculty, students, and parents. Once it's done, click the access key button and send out the access key to each one of the students, parents, and faculty. Moving on to Parents. Here you can create a connection between the parent and the student by clicking the parent name and clicking Specify Student. You can choose the names of the students from the list and add them. This way, you will see a connection between the parent and the student right here under relationship. You can also email the parent by clicking the envelope. Moving on to the report card. Here you can manage report card and the card template as well. This was a tutorial video for the admin's role. Welcome to Novachi.com. This video is to introduce school admin's role. First of all, log into the system as school admin. If you go to my profile, under my info, you will find your personal information which can be updated anytime. Under messages, inbox, you will see your school email box. Announcement is for school announcements. Under connection, my connection, you can add a connection to your school if you didn't do it when doing registration. Under my school, you will see school information. Move on to school menu. Under school overview, you will see a short overview of your school. Move on to school setup. Here under school info, you can set up school information. Under year and term, you can set up a new school year by clicking the create button. You can update the existing school years and terms by clicking on the year. Move on to the period. You can also create a period by clicking create button and update an existing period. Click on grade scale. Here we can change the grade scale. Move on to curriculum. Here under courses, you can create a new course by clicking the create button. You can also update an existing course by clicking on the course ID. Under classes, you can create a new class by clicking the create button. You can also assign a teacher to a class by clicking assign teacher. Here you can assign a substitute teacher as well. By clicking on enrollment, you will be able to see the class enrollment. And by clicking on the report card, you can see all the grade information. Move on to rosters. Here under rosters, you can create a roster for faculty, students, and parents either manually by clicking the create button, or you can upload an existing CSV file by clicking the CSV upload. Then choose the file from your computer and upload it onto the system. Go back to rosters. Once it's done, you can choose the entire list of your faculty, students, or parents and create an access key for each one of them. Once it's done, click on access key and send it to the faculty, parents, or students. Under faculty, you can also manage faculty role by clicking the manage role button. And under parents, you can create a connection between the students and the parents by clicking on one of the names, specify student button, and adding a connection to the children by choosing the children from the list. Moving on to the report card. Here you can manage the report card and the report card template as well. This was a tutorial video for the admin's role.